Record it now. Recording has started. All right, guys. This is our intelligence ticker that we have developed new one, new version which has the buy and sell as well. Anantraj, something just now. What big volume happened? Let me make it a bigger screen here. All right, done. That was the timing. This is the real time running. You can see here. So just a few questions are here now. By a lot of friends have been using intelligence ticker, and I know that even Christian, he just joined and is happy with that, looking for paid so much money and got the final what he wanted. It's been okay. I'm happy that it's helping a lot of friends here to make money and understand the move of the big fish, big players. So our next task is that we have done it. That you're seeing here, buy and sell coming up, right? So this buy and sell is coming up. It's coming on the previous tick. Please understand that it's similar to, actually it's similar to triangle, but we've just filtered something out last 3 days, and I found the solution that how to get the buy and sell coming from the previous tick. So this is how we have added the functions that we are seeing here. The buyer who came in BPCL for 12,724 volume lot, multiple by that. So it's value over 2 lakh 25 lakh rupees for one buyer, 25 lakh rupees for one lot. They are buying it, right? Over than that. So this is the main task of us, that how to use the intelligence ticker. As I said earlier in my previous video, for me the scanning and all comes slower than my eyes. So what is your eyes? Your eyes is intelligence ticker. Men, it's focus on that. Once you know the intelligence ticker is having a big move coming in, buyer or seller is coming in, what does it shows to you? It will show to you that there is some big move happening, right? So you use that move with your financial any chart you're using for your like you can say for your trading activity or money management and plans. Please go ahead with that, and then you can use this intelligence ticker to monitor one for a while. Don't rush immediately. When this is a big move, that means you have to wait with patience and see that what's happened the next move. It doesn't mean big buyers coming and you have to bang in yourself. No, you still have to monitor for at least 5-10 minutes more, and that should be in your filter watch list in ticker, that this has come up and this has a big move. So how can I predict the market in the opening hours or before market evening closing hours? These are two more important time after 2 to 30, your 1 hour or 30 minutes before market close. It's very important to see that what is happening in the big market move. Why is that? Because then only you will come to know that the morning was a heavy movement happened, and after that the A was resting or taking his profit out. In the evening they will try to push again to upper level or lock their profit out. We are mostly institution everywhere in the world. They are day traders, they are high frequency traders, they are market makers. So these people cannot hold all the position what they're pushing up the stocks. They will have to close their positions before the market ends within first 30 minutes or within the last 30 minutes. So that is the main market movement happening, right? So market moves within first 1 hour and last 1 hour. During hour, it's more kind of going on and coming up and going on. So that main part is important for us to see the big, all the big moves happening every day, and then we can plan our next day trade. This is what I mean by how do you plan next day trade with all these kind of tools that you have got and all, and how you're going to make easy making money with these kinds of tools. It's nothing hard. I can tell you one thing: if you know the intelligence ticker, you just need it to practice and understand. Note in a paper. Say just now, Anand Raj again 2 million buying happened, and today was 9% up. 2 million was happening and 9% up. Oh, wow, okay, sounds interesting. So these things what I mean by You're filtering so easy big stocks. There's nothing to be worried if it's made all-time high. It will continue in its northward direction. It might retrace for a while and again continue north direction because it's coming at the last minute. There's still buying are happening. What's the news? This is what you have to see. All the tickers are running. You can see around is Anantraj. Anantraj is coming in. So this is how we have to plan that thing, that this stock is coming in our watch list now. It might come earlier. I don't know. I just opened now, so you guys can understand one thing, that keep on monitoring these kinds of thing and move with the big players. So in the evening hours at 2:30 or 3 o'clock, very very important point time, that what are they going to do at this time, and what is the plan for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, like LT and all. We found all these things with our intelligence ticker. The all things other comes late. The ticker will come first because it's moving every tick, which is showing us the movement of buyer and seller, buyer and seller, buyer and seller, and going on. So you have to understand that one point, that what's happening with that tick and what's going to continue tomorrow. So 3:30, right? Market close 3:30, 3:40 or whatever it is, and you at 2:30 you start monitoring, or 2 o'clock start monitoring what are happening at that time. Who's selling off? Who's buying? What stock they're buying? What their stock they're selling? So with this indicator, with the intelligence ticker, you understand only one basic thing, that follow the rules, that this is coming, he is buying, he is selling, what is he doing, why is he buying, why is he selling. So this is the main part. We have to understand that before we take the action. So if he is a buyer, why is he buying at before the market close with big volume? Or seller, why is he selling before at the big volume? Must be have some nice news, or he think he wants to lock his profit out, or whatever it is. We have no idea. So we have to monitor with one thing now. With this, once we get the intelligence ticker coming up, go to our bullet run. I will minimize this. Minimize the bullet run. Once you minimize all the things, I change before market close the settings. I will not use 1 hour now. Before market close around 30 or 1 hour, I will use 15 minutes move. I want to check with my continuation movement. Amibroker to iTicker. Yes, Amibroker to iTicker. Yes, it's with Amibroker only. We are using all with Amibroker platform. We're not have live another platform, the big one. So what is we do, that the 15 minutes, now we have to monitor 15 minutes, change bullet run to 15 minutes before you start other things, right? Before 1 hour is, it's the same time, move will happen, any indicator will be slower, but we need the last 15 minutes or 30 minutes move. What is going to change with our buying indicator? Any delay in data? No. We are buying tick data. We are not paying real time. We are paying tick data. We are buying tick data. So no delay. We are faster than even fires. We have got a lot of appreciations. Even there in India or in Thailand, we have developed. We are our ticker. Everyone has appreciated that it's so fast, so fast. Even some eyes cannot catch up that things. I'll show you that later on. The major thing is that 15 minutes, you got it. Change the timing. All symbols that you have subscribed, explore that. Go for 15 minutes. Let it analyze. Here it comes. It took only how many seconds? Right? You got the symbols. Now what I need to do here, I will change the timing here by date and time. Click it up once. So what will happen? It will make me a new timing to show me that what stocks are coming or what stocks are not coming. I can change it to bottom top. 1 o'clock 14 minutes. Lupin came. Sharp Tech came. But this all stocks has come. Right? Same thing you have to do like that. 2 stock has come. So monitor these stocks with intelligence ticker. Right? Once you monitor these stocks 15 minutes, we have done the timing by click the date and time here. From morning, it's here going up, right? So in the evening hours, you have to understand that before market closes, there will be a big fish coming in. Who has the insider news? Second thing, big movement of institutions coming in. Who has to take the action that close the position or lock profit or drag on till tomorrow morning and then sell, or after 2 days then we sell. So this is what I mean by intelligence ticker that we have developed. And I see even Kishan joined just yesterday and he said, I have paid much money and I loved it and it's coming back to the returns. You're paying nothing. How much? 2,000 rupees a month. You're making 20,000 rupees a month, 2 lakh rupees a month, just with a small, simple, basic intelligence ticker thing. You need these things to understand the logic behind that. Where are the big fish going on? You don't need anyone. You just need yourself, your own eyes, your own confidence that you need to understand the move of the market. So this intelligence ticker is telling you everything that how to move with the big players. You see the market in if you're saying this is the real time move. You see the move of the day. This is without, this is all market. You can see here all market. It's moving all market and it moves very fast. So we don't want to monitor this small 6 contracts, 9 contracts, 39 contracts, lots and all. It's wasting our time. We want to see really a big move, big fish, big players who has plenty of money can push the market around. This is intelligence ticker, Sumit. This is called new product for Indian market that we are presenting. All right, we left. Done. So this is what I mean by, you see here has been again 17,660 lot. These kinds of lot we need 50,000, 60,000, 70,000 lots. This is what you calculate they are making the money from there. And this is one thing that we are trying to understand. We explain to you guys that with bullet run, you need bullet run because bullet run is a trend following which has all the higher high, higher low, MACD, whatever, not oversold, volume has come. It's giving you everything in that. I don't want so many complicated things. I like basic things where I can understand, trade easy, make money, goodbye, done. My day is done. I'm happy with that. So this is how we make money. So with this, when you get these things coming up, you filter it by auto repeat, right? I don't want to say, a lot of people, they already know these things. So once you have done auto repeat and just explore once again, this will auto repeat every 5 minutes. So you don't need anything headache with that. You can do a nifty, you can do anything you want. It will come that the buying signals will come and all. Just change the timing. And here comes the same thing. Check up the things which has a lower risk, high reward. Low risk, high reward. You got the bullet run. When you get that around 2 o'clock, after 2 o'clock, what you have to do? Start it. Start monitoring things. Start monitoring things. So when you start monitoring the things, you will understand that I am going to make money from these kinds of picks. See zeal. The zeal just came today, but we already had in our head an idea that last 3 days we saw zeal came in big volume, where I posted in our room, keep eyes on zeal, right? So and today the zeal has banged up rapidly and it came up sharply, and if anybody has entered on after VAH or whatever, or it comes down to your support level, buy on support. You lower your risk. When is the move buying happening, big buyers are coming in, try to go on. For me, I trade on, go on two conditions: break high, break the VAH, or retrace to the VAL low, which is this, we will enter the upper positions. So this is plan from yesterday plan and next day plan, tomorrow's plan. So we plan it that way that the price is coming down, we buy it by using bullet run. So if the scan is coming, I mean, you think yourself, you're a trader, a big buyer has moved in with a big volume. Second thing, you have a bullet run scan told you 15 minutes, the trend following is telling you follow buy. So what does it mean? You already got everything in your hand. Now you need only support and resistance and trend that is telling you that go ahead and buy it. So you have to find those things and see that what stocks to be done now. Okay, let's see Lupin. Click add double Lupin. Here comes the image. Here comes the big move. Our trend is green now. Look here. What happened just now? The buyer came in, right, in 15 minutes. So the trend is green now. It was actually to buy here. It might have come at what time? 1 second. Let me check the time when it came. It came at 1:14. I just did it 20 minutes earlier, right? So it came on these candles. So it had a breakout. So this was what you had to enter the ticker, intelligence ticker. Click here, filter it immediately. Ticker settings. I will loop in, right? Include this into loop in only. That's it. I just want to monitor one stock now. With this kind of my entry, that position I got it. I refresh it up down, it will clear everything out. So I'm just going to monitor this looping now. I keep it here on side. And second thing, click topmost. Tick here. You see here? It has a tick mark now. Once you tick that, it has a tick mark come up. So this will not go down, right? Except you minimize yourself here. So now we want to see the looping move. All right? What happens? Sorry, I just don't need that. I forgot. Okay. So we are taking the looping moves. And second thing, meantime, we are still moving at other stock as well. That is giving us a high movement. So these are the stocks that we need to filter out the timing with our green trend. Green is a buy. Red it doesn't make a difference. Red is a sell. Sell at the resistance. At VH, point of control, it doesn't make new high. Short. Make money, out. This is how you do it if you want to do intraday playings. All right. So if something is good, you look at here. This was a green over here. If the price came down after the green, you can buy at here. You will not get at the bottom price. I mean by 860, 880, I was a buyer. Because green here and retracement came down to my point of control, I will buy. Or VAH, I will buy. VAL, I will buy. But there's no harm. Some people says, I want a clear breakout. Breakout, I will buy. So it's up to you guys. The way trading, it depends on two directions. Buy on breakout, buy on pullback. My suggestion is always buy on pullback. Because what? You are lowering your risk on RR. So I will suggest you that you go ahead with these things, that before you go live, before you go anything, you have to understand one thing, that the intelligence ticker is only giving you a big move, small move. So you filter big moves. Once you filter all the big moves, monitor that what's happening, and is it buying, selling continue going on or not. If it's a big buying continue going on, that means the stock will rally again tomorrow or day after tomorrow. When it comes to pullback to your point of control, or this level comes, buy. Don't wait. You have to buy. This is the plan. You have done it for tomorrow. Because it was happening, the rally was happening before the market closed. 30 minutes, 1 hour before that. So you have to plan like that. When the moves is happening, big moves are happening, you have to understand to take the action. Okay. This is just example giving you that what you are going with intelligence ticker. The main part you got is bullet run. The scan will happen every 15 minutes. Once you get the scanning, you see the support resistance is standing there and it is moving nice, safe and sound, then you invest. Lower your risk, because every time any risk you take, it's more risky for you guys. So you have to understand one thing, that all these things what you are doing, it's all on your planning trades. So my suggestion is that when you invest, don't think you want to make million a day. Think you're making 2,000. See, like Sanjit now, 2,000, 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh a month, 3 lakhs a month. This is what you want. 36 lakhs a year, 50 lakh a year. This is what you want. So this is just a small. Don't be so greedy that yes, you have so much money. Go ahead, do what you want. But my suggestion, the same question every time, is that make money slowly, grow your positions, grow your portfolio every month with nice and calm. That's it. This is the way we do it. Set the things 15 minutes before market close. You start by 2 o'clock doing this, so that you can prepare the trend following also. Confirm me with the volume buying happening. If volume buying is not happening, we'll wait till tomorrow. It has come in our signal, in our radar. So we'll see tomorrow, then plan the action for tomorrow's move. That is come to our watch list. Don't forget what work you have done it. Please open the ticker in that particular symbol. And then be ready to action any minute that has a big move and a clear resistance or breakout. So that is more kind of important thing, that it's happening here like this. It has a moved out, had a clear breakout. Now let us see that it's pullback or not. If it's a pullback, it's good. The profit target is 895 to be out from there. It hit high. It's coming to 889. So we need to prove this intelligence ticker to have a big move gap. which is not happening. So we have to see that what's going on. It's calm. So we want to see this move now. Now we move next after that. You need three things before market close. 1 hour, be ready to plan the move. Big moves, nice move, big volume, bullet run 15 minutes. Our trend histogram is giving a green signal. This is tomorrow's plan now. I got the idea where I want to enter, which is my profit, and that's done. So already the trend is telling you where to buy, where to sell. See here, it had a buy signal at here. At the near the control, we will not buy. We wait till pull back. We entered even 877. I don't know that it will come down to this level or not. I entered 877. I'm not panicking because my it's green here. Again, it next day opened, it banged up. So if this signal has come in my bullet run, giving me 15 minutes before my market close to buy. Buy doesn't mean follow immediately buy, right? We buy slowly by slowly when we see the price has come to our level and we are satisfied with that. I hope that everyone is understanding what I mean by, and this is the main task of doing all these things so that everyone can easy make money and go and trade your own trading activities. So intelligence ticker, if Lupin is not having much, let it be open. Go to other symbols and see what is move is happening, which big moves are happening. Right here you go. You can open this even as full chart you want. Just double click and maximize it here. Now you will see a bit slow move, very slow move. This is what we want. We don't want to keep on seeing all the movement and headache and don't know what to trade at last minute. We want to see the big moves. This is coming the big move. Here is coming the big move. What? The value is 25 lakh. Over much more than 10 into 560 is how much? 57 lakh. 300 by this. See how much? 1.5 this, how much? Calculate and see. It's not a small buyer, a big, it must be some institution, foreigner, or someone who has a very big fund who can move these stocks around. So monitor these stocks. That's it. Simple intelligence ticker. It's thing that you're looking for. And I know that everyone is happy and making money from our room. And I'm glad with that also. Here's the proof. Another guy made money. Excellent. All right. Sanjeet made a lot of money. Wow, Sanjeet, every day, morning, evening, afternoon. You okay, that's nice. Hi, Rakesh, you're back. Welcome back. So I hope that all of you have understood that what to do before market moves, before market closes. Monitor the big move. Monitor the big move. Tr- Change the settings to 15 minutes. You don't wait till 1 hour because then you are going to enter the fast position at your lower risk. Even in the morning hours, I don't do much of changes. In the morning hours, I see only 15 minutes for a while and then move back to 1 hour, the same thing. Our main focus is 1 hour move. But 15 more minutes help me to understand that the better move I say with the bigger move, you can use as 15 minutes as well in your bullet run scanning, which already has a good function, everything in there. So always helping you in this way so that you can understand that these big moves are easy to understand before market close. That you see the trend histogram is still green, the price pull back. See LT what price we saw it, and see the boom happen now. Here we entered, I think I was here when we entered, started the green, and we entered at the pullback. Here it was, and here now goes another 1,300 rupees profit, 10% profit within just I think 3 days, 4 days, something like that. So this is how we move other things out. Out, again green, we in. It came down, again it bang up. See the move first. We are not sure. We wait till here it's green. We are waiting till here down, and then we again enter in at here, and it's gone up. Okay, good. That's fine, good. So this is what I mean by Before market move, very, very important. As I said, before market move, very, very important is to see bullet run. It's already on air. I don't have mic. Okay, mic is not needed. All right. So before market move, see the things. How are the bullet run signals giving it to you? All right. Change your signal. 15 minutes. 1 hour you need before market move. Don't forget that. You should be ready by 2:30. Start the 15-minute scan. Start the things out. Be ready to execute all the things together and make money out of that. All right. So this is what I'm telling you all, that how you can guys can make money easily, and then we can be ready with that. So what I mean by, I will appreciate that if you all understand that intelligence ticker is the main of my, always, as I said, is the main thing that I need to understand. If you understand that big move, this is coming side shortly to you with the next version. We just need some coloring and testing to be finalize the things out before we can release this version. As we have tried to find the solution that how to get buy sell with the symbols coming up now. All right. So you can see the moves what's happening in intelligence ticker and action with bullet run. Bullet run, trend histogram. The trend is telling you what to do. All right. This is telling you where to buy, where to enter, where to do your lower your risk and make money. You need one, two, three tools and bullet run. Four. Boom volume is telling you the volume which is happening at the same time. It helps you with this kind of move with the trend histogram. You can use it together to do the volume test checking and all those things, right? So you can use all these things. So I think this is just a introduction of my evening trades to plan for tomorrow, what I do and how do I trade. And I mean by easy to understand the things out with intelligence ticker, the whole market move. Yep, anyone can use like that. This is the whole market move. Another again coming up. See, I told you it's gone now 10%. I told you nothing to be panicked with that. It's very normal thing, and you will feel it's very easy to survive in that. I hope that just trying to explain everyone that what to be done and what is outstanding, so you all can make money easily with that. So this is the main my trading activity. Anantraj again, Anantraj. So wow, 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 a lot going on. 10% move now. Just now I told you it's going to move further up, right? That's how you do it. Just by monitoring only just basic thing that we call it intelligence ticker. Bullet run, intelligence ticker, trend, support resistance, done. You got everything in your hand. Profit depends on you guys. Where you're happy, make your profit out, or you work as with trend histogram. When it's too far away from the VAH, you feel that it's too far, it has to come down, lock the profit out. Wait till new retracement, move with that. Again, trend histogram is green. I'll still move into this stock. Let it come back to the pulse to our support level. Enter again with tight stop loss, make the money out. So this is just a simple thing and very easy to use these things in real life tradings. We are not talking about we are not talking about just a dream come true game. We are talking about a real trading activity to make the money in the real life. And the proof is in front of you, all of you guys, that who has joined our room and making money and enjoying the tradings. So it's up, balance is all everyone. It's up to you guys who wants to really have a good return in trading activities, right? So it's up to you all, and make easy living, and then wow, okay. So any questions in here? 2:30, 1 hour before market close. Watch the big moves, plan, bullet run to change to 15 minutes. So nearly close 30 minutes coming up. That is very important. You see, every big buyers are moving in, selling their stock, holding their position till tomorrow, push up tomorrow. What will happen? It's that last 30 minutes. Okay. So I hope this presentation is short enough and easy to understand the importance of 1 hour and 30 minutes move. Don't be afraid to hold the position till tomorrow. If it's a big move happen, it will continue further north. It will continue further north, and even it's good if it's pullback. If you haven't taken the position, tomorrow has a pullback and touched our support line. Action. Don't worry anything. Just be safe, and you will make money out of that. I think just a basic thing that I wanted to explain before trading anything. So anyone who is new and wants to subscribe our to Intelligence Ticker and all these things, please contact Manjunath and all in our room, so that you can understand the things out. All right. I think already explained how to move the action and trade the plans with Intelligence Ticker. That is giving you the new all the things coming up shortly with all these features more buy sell side are all coming up with the big moves, so that you can come to know where to work with these things out. All right, Manju, anyone else any questions? So please give me a hint here, so I'll try to help with any questions who are still not understanding. Join late, and so yes, I already told like Anantraj, you have to see that I told you earlier before had a big move, and it will go continue further north. So you have to understand where to take the actions. That's it. Mickey, we have a video recording already. We'll upload for you guys. Not to worry. We have a video recording. So we'll try to upload by as soon as possible by today. So tomorrow you guys can understand again and during weekends and study things out. We have a 3 days free trial, and I hope that this really is important. I don't know what is making you guys. Some people are coming and loving it, and some are still like want to test and learn. I understand it's a money game. It's nobody wants to risk anything, but I just want to say that when market is bullish and you're just deciding something, you're going to be a loser in future, because when market is bullish, it doesn't comes every day, every year to you guys. So you have to take a fast something active decisions, so that you can really make a good returns and all those things in your future. All right. Thanks, Rakesh. I know everyone. Rakesh is making good. Everyone is making good. Even Kishan just joined. He said he loved it. Sounds happy to me. I'm happy with that. That people are enjoying and loving it. Thanks a lot. Enjoy yourself and have a nice day. Swing
Wait,
trade,
wait,
yes,
this is
Sushant. It's for swing trade only, especially. I trade. I am a
yes.
swing trader as well as a short-term trader
Okay.
as well, but not much. I don't hold. I don't trade much like that. Very little of my daily livings. So this is just giving an idea that it's already having show you the big move. Swing is already swing trades. It should be clear enough that the big move is happening. What is happening because of there's a buyer who's coming in or seller who's coming in with a big move, a big fish, a big giant is coming in who's going to eat your funds. So you have to protect your funds and use it. Okay. Thank you and have a
Yeah,
nice day.
this is
Bye, everyone.
1 minute.